My favorit F86050 dishwasher is beeping twice and not draining. It has the heating symbol flashing as well as the cycle it is on, Intensiv 70, so not sure if it's just heating up the water.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. When you say you have just moved into a new house, did you take the dishwasher with you? If so, where does the drain hose go to? Does it go under a sink or in a standpipe? Regards.
Hi Daniel. No, the dishwasher is an existing one in there when we moved in. It drains externally to a drain outside.
Hi, okay, are you able to reset it and start a new cycle? As when you do this, the first thing it should do is drain the water out. Will it do this? Regards.
I tried resetting by pressing and holding down the first two buttons, so the Intensiv 70 and the auto, together, but it just reset back to the start of the cycle I had selected.
Hi, okay, can you double check the model number please, as that's not listed? Regards.
The model number is XXXXX, but the restart I found from Googling. Is that not right? Should it be something else?
Hi, okay, that model number isn't coming up on the technical site, so I don't know which machine you have. If you open the door, there will be a sticker on the right hand side. On there is a product number starting with a 9. Can you post this please, but you need to prefix it with an A. Egg A9123465778 regards.
Thanks Daniel. I will need to do that tomorrow as I am not at the house just now. Thanks for the help so far.
Hi, no worries, speak tomorrow. Regards.
It says PNC then 911 234 72601. Then it has S number 23,058,866.
Hi, okay, got it, thanks. The model number is XXXXX58650. That's why it wasn't coming up on the technical site. But as to resetting this, that's correct. You press and hold buttons 1 and 2 for several seconds, or just press and hold any of the other program lights and it will stop that cycle and start a new one, and the first thing it should do is drain. But if it's not and if it's still beeping twice, then that's a draining error code, I'm afraid. You need to, if you are able to, is scoop out all the water inside the dishwasher and then remove the inspection cover on the front at the bottom below the door, and from there you will see the pump on the far right. Twist the pump off, and you should be able to clear out any debris from inside the pump. Then retry the dishwasher and fingers crossed this will cure it. If you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Thanks Daniel, I will give that a whirl when I am there next.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.